Hey guys, this is Jam of jamonline.ph and today we're gonna unbox something really special because this is the Vivo V15 and it comes with the benefit cosmetics because dito sa Pilipinas we'll be getting some freebies from benefit whenever you buy the Vivo V15 Blossom Pink. Yes, the Blossom Pink. Bagay na bagay sa mga babae na viewers natin dyan. I'm pretty sure na magugustuhan niyo yung kulay na to. So, what are we waiting for? So, let's unbox this Vivo X Benefit na smartphone, which is the Vivo V15. Okay, so first, we got this. Thanks for purchasing the limited edition Vivo X Benefit Kit. Blah, blah, blah. Keep slaying. So, basically, it's just a welcome card from Vivo and Benefit. And then, as a thank you, present this card at your favorite Benefit Cosmetics store and enjoy a complimentary 15-minute make-upper. 15-minute make-upper daw. Para sa'yo, papakita mo lang to. Not only that, you can also get a chance to win Benefit goodies worth 5,000 pesos by uploading your Instagram photo with this limited edition Vivo X Benefit Kit this June 30 hanggang June 30 and just tagging Vivo Philippines and also Benefit PH with the hashtag Vivo X Benefit. Okay, cool, very cool. Okay, so first, bago tayo sa smartphone, let's talk about the included ano to? Actually, wala akong idea kung ano to. So this is the included na items dito sa ating Vivo X Benefit na the box. So we got here the Dandelion Twinkle. Ano to? Dandelion and Gold Rush. Hindi ko na yung Gold Rush. So according kay Paula, this is blush on. So both of them. Ba't hindi ko siya matanggal sa box? Malaglag siya. So we got these two, ginaganto yan eh. Yan. So ganyan, we got the Gold Rush and also Dandelion Kit, yan. And of course, the most important thing na laman ng box na to for us is the Vivo V15. So this is the smaller brother of the Vivo. Actually, it has a bigger display. But this one has a slower processor, Helio P70. It's not that bad. It's actually okay. But we still got an elevating front camera, which is 32 megapixel camera. And of course, a triple lens camera with 4,000 milliamp hours of battery. So what are we waiting for? So let's unbox and let's take a closer look at this smartphone. Then this two, Dandelion Twinkle and Gold Rush. So we have here the Vivo V15. So what are we waiting for? So let's unbox and let's take a closer look at this smartphone. Yan, so sa loob, we got here the pin along with technical specifications and also the other product manual that you won't probably read pag binuksan nyo yung smartphone nyo. We also got here a hard case with parang jelly yung sides na, which is pretty cool. Almost similar to the case that we have on the Vivo V15 Pro. What I like about this is that they bring jelly case dito sa, or a hard case actually, dito sa Vivo V15 na medyo different and medyo mas sturdy compared sa other cases na meron sa ibang smartphones. Boom! We got here the Vivo V15 and it looks, wow, ang ganda niya. Looks really beautiful to me. We got the gradient color ng pink din sa likod. And then pag nagre-reflect yung ilaw, may konting iba siya ng kulay, which is really cool. Yan, ang ganda ng kulay niya. Super ganda ng kulay niya. Even ako, hindi mahilig sa pink. Gusto ko yung kulay ng pagka-pink ng Vivo V15 Blossom Pink. We still have here the earphones, which is 3.5mm, which is okay for me. I mean, at least 3.5 siya, hindi siya USB-C. Then, of course, we got here the micro USB cable. Yeah, we're still using micro USB cable dito sa Vivo V15. And the 9 volts, 2 amperes charger, which probably means that this one has a fast charger at 18 watts. It's not the fastest one, but it is fine with me that you have 18 watts of charging dito sa Vivo V15 charger na to. So there we go, you're looking at everything that is included in the box of the Vivo V15. Di kasama tong keyboard na to. So what are we waiting for? So let's check out the smartphone itself. So this is the Vivo V15. So as you can see here, we got here the Blossom Pink color, and what I like about it, well, course, the color. So the Vivo V15 features a pink na color sa likod and some rose gold accents sa sides, and this one is pretty solid. So let's talk about the color of the smartphone. So as you can see in here, the Vivo V15 has this pinkish color sa likod, and yung ilalim niya is mas pink kumpara sa taas. So may gradient color siya sa taas, so pa whiter or pa whiter ng pa whiter habang pataas, pero it's actually nice na ganito yung itsura niya. It's not plain, may gradient color siya. We also got here the Vivo logo at the back. We also got here a glass back, which is pretty solid to feel, and maganda yung ergonomics niya para sa akin, despite having a 6.53-inch Full HD Plus IPS display dito sa smartphone na to. So before we proceed, so let's talk about this one. So we got here the fingerprint scanner at the back, and also the triple lens rear camera, which is similar to the Vivo V15 Pro. But of course, we got here a different quality na makukuha dito because we have a different processor, probably a different sensor. I'm not sure about that because I've just unboxed this one. And then we also got here on the side, we got here the power button and also the volume rocker. Sa ilalim, we still got here the speaker grill, the 3.5mm audio jack, and also the micro USB port. And then on the other side, we got here the smart button. We can actually find this smart button then sa Vivo V15 Pro. With the smart button, with the press of this one, it will automatically open Google Assistant, which is pretty cool sa mga gusto lagi na mag-search or yung mga laging gumagamit ang voice nila. And then of course, we got here the card tray. So unahan, we got here a pretty large display. It's actually a 6.53-inch Full HD Plus IPS display. It actually looks pretty good to me. Not the best one. I still prefer AMOLED, but what I like about it is that we got minimal bezel in here. So may chin pa rin tayo, minimal bezels on the side. And yes, it actually looks pretty good to me for a mid-range smartphone. Well, it's getting common these days as most smartphones these days are getting a notchless full screen display. They call it an ultra full view display. So low, we got 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of internal storage. Then of course, we got 4,000 milliamp hours of battery and Android 9 Pie with FunTouch OS 9. So yeah, we got here the wallpaper that looks that is actually complementing dito sa back ng smartphone natin, which is pink. And I'm pretty sure that every person na gusto ng pink color, magugustuhan to smartphone na to. Ikaw, gusto mo tong phone na to? Yan, gusto niya yung phone na to. Gusto ni Paula ng phone na to. And let's talk about the software of the smartphone. Well, it's running on FunTouch OS 9. Very user-friendly. We also got here the included applications like Facebook, Lazada, WeSing, News, WPS Office, and TikTok. So marami siyang included na applications. But of course, meron pa tayong update that is available right now. It's actually updating right now. And yeah, everything is user-friendly, similar to most Vivo smartphones. But of course, we got here some bloated software which is hindi ginagamit ng ibang tao. But I mean, for some people, it's just fine with them. Again, we got here 128 gigs of internal storage. The available space is 113 gigs. Not bad, not bad. So, tingnan natin, it's running, according to them, it's running on Android 9 Pie. So, it should be running at Android 9 Pie. And yes, the version is actually 9. Got 2.1 GHz AI octa-core processor. That's nice. That's Helio P70. And we got 6 GB of RAM. But of course, one of the main features ng smartphone na to is the camera. So as you can see here, we got here an elevating selfie camera. Yeah, so it's a trend this year, this 2019. So with the press of a button, with a sound effect, actually pakinggan natin yung sound effect. I'm not sure if you can hear that one, but it does come with a sound effect whenever I open the selfie camera of the smartphone, or I just close the selfie camera niya of the smartphone. So going back, so this is the rear camera of the smartphone, and we actually got a lot of modes in here: dock, pro, panorama, night, AI beauty, photo, videos, AR stickers. And we also got here the wide angle mode. But of course, mas maganda kung gagamitin natin itong phone na to sa review para malaman natin yung quality niya, whether sa wide angle or sa normal shots. So, let's try it out sa mga selfies. Okay, so we've tried the camera of the Vivo V15. So, kamusta yung quality ng camera ng Vivo V15? Well, of course, we tried the triple lens camera of the smartphone. And yes, it's actually pretty good. Surprisingly, it's not as good as the Vivo V15 Pro. But what we're looking right now is a photo using the rear camera of the smartphone. And kuhang-kuha naman yung details niya. However, it's darker than I expected. So, kulang siya ng highlights sa mga part na to. And yeah, hindi siya ganun ka-accurate yung kulay ng balat ko dito. It's reddish actually compared to the color of my hand. And then, of course, this one. So, I took a photo of this one. Yan. And cute siya, yes. But medyo nakukulangan ako sa lighting. Medyo nadidiliman ako ng konti. But for me, for $79.99, still accepted. I'm still satisfied with the camera. Smartphone. Medyo nabubulol na ako. Then this one is a selfie using the 32 megapixel selfie camera of the smartphone, and surprisingly maganda yung quality niya. Hindi ako nag-expect masyado dito because it's running on Helio P70, so iba yung quality niya, yung processing niya. But it's actually okay with me. Again, it's not the best one, but the skin tone of my selfies here are better than I expected. So mas maganda yung nakuha ko dito. And then of course, we got here the wide angle lens. Unfortunately, mas maganda sana ako sa review natin. So don't forget to check out jamonline.ph. We'll have a review of this smartphone with a wide angle lens. Then another one, so this is the rear, using the rear camera of the smartphone. Maganda actually yung rear camera niya. Medyo maganda siya, but again, not as good as the Vivo V15 Pro. So yes, I guess that's it for the Vivo V15 unboxing and hands-on. So we all know kung kano kaganda yung smartphone. Maganda yung smartphone, especially for those people who love selfies. Not me, but I love the color of this one. Medyo gusto ko siya gamitin because of the color. But how about the included makeup dun sa box? Box my dito. So yes, Paula will be helping us dito sa makeup na to. Alright guys, so we're here with Paula Dizon, one of the editors of jamonline.ph, and pag-uusapan natin ano ba meron dito sa mga benefit makeup na kasama dito sa Vivo V15. So ano ba yung kasama dito?
So we have here the Gold Rush, which is actually a blush. This color. And we have here the Dandelion Twinkle, which is a highlighter.
Alam ko dandelion yun.
So first, we will swatch it before natin ilagay sa mukha ni Jana. So it comes with its own brush. So it's the mini size of the...
May salamin siya kasama. Pwede pakita natin sa ano. So may salamin siya kasama pala. So yan, may salamin siya maliit na kasama sa... So pwede pili kayo. AI na beautification o makeup. Pili na lang kayo.
So before natin ilagay sa face niya, we will first swatch it like how beauty vloggers does it. Anyway,
ano siya?
pink.
Pink. Ah, okay.
Almost same.
Ano?
So, syempre, kailangan natin i-test yung product if it actually works. So, yun. So, this is the bare face of that. I'm going to put it sa cheeks area niya para magmukha siyang fresh. Smile! Sabi ka na sa apple ng cheeks ko nilalagay. So, smile! Smile! Para mamula-mula. Over na ba? Reaction. So, kung mababasin nyo, mamaya later lalapit siya.
Natanggal ba yan?
Grabe pa nito yan. So, diba, parang pag nag-smile ka, may emphasize yung
Cheeks.
we have here the highlighter. So, again, swatch natin siya.
Swatch. Alam ko na swatch yung relo eh.
So, ilalagay mo to sa mga areas na gusto mong ma-highlight. So, lalagyan natin siya dito sa nose bridge.
Hindi ko, tinitipan ko lang.
Pero hindi. Oh my God! Bakit nasaan ka natin? I like this.
Ayan.
It's super.
Ano sa nilalagay?
Ayun o. May glow. Dito rin nilalagay yan ng mga beauty vloggers dito para ma-highlight yung sa lips. And lastly, sa ilalim na kilay. It glows more.
Di ba tayo pwede mag-hire ng model na lang para yan?
Okay, so wait lang. So this is the finished product. This is our canvas. So as you can see,
Puro
Here's
tagyawat pa din.
the Golden Rush Blush from Benefit. And then,
Hindi natin difference.
meron. Ayan, so namumula-mula yung cheeks niya.
May itim ako, hindi namumula yan. Nangingitim.
And then, of course, nakikita niyo ba yung nose bridge niya? So, that's the highlighter of the Benefit. So, that's the Dandelion Twinkle. So, di ba nakaka-emphasize siya ng rose line? So, yan. Perfect.
So yeah, I guess that's it for our unboxing, hands-on, and of course, makeup session with Miss Paula Dizon. And yeah, tapos na siya and hindi pa natatapos yung pagtanggal ko ng makeup. So if you like this video, don't forget to give thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, well, now's the time to subscribe. So don't forget to check out my Facebook page and also my group and also my other social media channels at Jam Online PH. So once again, I'm jamonline.ph, and thanks for watching our video about the Vivo X Benefit Vivo V15 Blossom Pink.